Which of the following languages is accepted by this push-down automation? Let me quickly remind you a couple of basic facts on push-down automata, as this is the very first question on push-down automata. Okay, just remember this formula. Push-down automata is finite automata plus stack. Remember that? Okay, stack is, well, you can imagine it's kind of it's an abstract data type, have some slots here. We'll be able to store values. Then we can either push a particular value on top of stack, or pop that value out of stack. Okay. Three things involved with transition. Let's have a look. For example, this particular transition, it says BA pop. What does that mean? First value here means what you read from input string. And second value is a value at top of stack we're checking. If you put A there, which means you are allowed to perform this transition only if you got A at top of stack. Okay, then next value here means what operation you're going to perform, and in this example is a pop operation. Now we can go back to this particular push-down automata now. Okay, the main operation, as you can see, is here's a loop and here's another loop. The first loop here, we are doing reading A, and same time we push value A on top of stack. Let me just change this to A. Okay, it means you can immediately recognize this means you can come in lot of values in your string A. It will happily reading in, and same time push those value onto your stack. Okay, and here we says underscore. What does that mean? It means we don't mind what value you have for this transition. We don't mind what value you have on top of stack. Okay, as long as you have a reading in, we just simply push them in. Right, let's move on to the second phase of second big loop here. This loop says, now I'm reading B. Instead of A, I change to B. So input string should be switched to value B. When you have a B, we immediately here it's not underscore anymore. It says A. So which means we must have A at top of stack to allow you to read B. Okay, and after that, here I say NOP means non-operation to stack. So it immediately gave you information that, okay, you can read B without even touching your stack. Stack state is not changed. But after that, here's another transition. Spot difference between these two. Yeah, same BA here, but this one's non-operation, this one is a pop operation. And after this, we have a little loop. It says non-operation pop. Okay, non-operation pop, which means we will consume 2 Bs, reading 2 Bs. For each 2 Bs, you will have a 1 A value popped out. Yeah, throw it away. So, is that clear? What image you can read from here is for every A, you will have 2 Bs. Okay? Write down into formula is whatever number of A's, you must double amount that value. That's doubled. Okay? Where you should have at least 1. So this is answer. That is the language this push-down automata is defined for. Have a look. all possible choice here. Which one goes with that? That is one. Okay, remaining three all nonsense, doesn't make sense.